Cards 2022. This Pokemon episode, this one is a very special one because I am with the Steam Gop and got these two bad puppies right here. Good abortion. First we got this one. Yeah. Then we got this one. Look at this. Piece of absolute art. Piece of masterpiece beauty. This has 10 packs. Wow. Good abortion. Anyways, let's unbox this first. Come on. Dude, I bought it. I'm just ripping the pack up. Please subscribe to my channel. Ow. Got these at Steam Gop. Now we got them out of their jail cell, out of their abortion box. Useless. Now let's get these bad boys out. Oh. Can you see that? Let me turn my camera around a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So you guys can see these. Alright, we take these plastic abortion. My camera's not focusing. Can you focus? Camera's not. First we got Electrode V. Camera's not focusing. Electrode V. Pretty good. Shiny. Let's look on the back and see if he's fine. A little dent there, but everything else looks fine to me, so yeah. Now let's look at his regular standard card. Look at that, just holographic glistening. Look at that beauty. These two. Then we got the big puppy himself. Is like this one. Like, look at that. Look at the size. Got this puppy. Pretty good and shiny. Look on the back. See if he's pretty good. See if I didn't get scammed. Trying to... Yeah. That's my hand. Yep. Looks pretty pristine to me. And now let's get into the packs. Here's the Go card. I'm gonna show this to everyone. Get yourself some free Pokemon. Now let's get into the packs. We got the brand new Pokemon set, Lost Origin. Yeah, I wanted this set, but Silver Tempest is coming soon. I need to get that set. But I have my COVID. Got my hands on this got my COVID hands. Got my hands on this set. Yes. Then we got Brilliant Stars, All-Star Radiance, and another one. Great. Yeah. Cute and sweet. Code card. Want it? We're gonna open these later. Now let's get into the masterpiece, beautiful premium collection. Get it? Get it? Good joke. Okay, I'll stop. So it comes with 10 packs, and on both sides. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Look at this masterpiece. Look at this absolute artwork. Piece of art right here. Mamma mia. It's a masterpiece. A beautiful masterpiece. But we're going to open this beauty. Because it's I'm going to be a collector's item. So I don't want to damage the box. You know what? Okay, never mind. I thought I was gonna rip it, but screw the box. The box is not the main thing. It's the cards itself. Get it out of his. Who even needs this piece of garbage? Finally. get all this abortion crud out the way and make some space for. Oh, look at this! Look at this masterpiece right here. Oh, beautiful masterpiece, works of art. Because we have, okay. Evolving Skies. You know what in this set has the, you already know what has some goods in here. I know there's some good cards in here. Alright. Alright, now let's take a moment and appreciate this artwork. Look at him. Oh, beautiful. This is a absolute god card right here. Oh, take this piece of abortion out of the way and make some space. I don't even want to ruin it. It's so beautiful. Piece of art. And by the way, I'm going to give this away, so have it. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful masterpiece. Scratchy. Alright, look at this beauty. Let's see if it's pretty Christine. Yep, it's Christine. Oh! Okay, I can't hold it anymore. It's beautiful. Now let's get into the jumbo. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this absolute masterpiece right here. Oh, and it's scratchy. Look at this beautiful works of art. It came out in 2020. My camera doesn't want to focus. Came out in 2021, so my camera's not focusing. Not a really old card. Now let's check the back, because you already know, collector's item. Okay. It's a beautiful masterpiece. Yep, pretty Christine. Oh, beautiful masterpiece right there. Absolute beautiful. Don't even want to ruin it, because it's beautiful. And now we can take a moment to take all these packs out. Get all these packs. Alright. Plus these ones. Alright, let's get into these packs, see if we get any pulls. Alright. Take these packs and let's open them and see if we get any good pairs. Any good god pulls. That's all I want from these sets. Alright. Alright, now we have this big giant pile of packs. Let's open them and see what we got. Let's go random and go with Vintage. Vintage Vultures right here. Alright. The camera doesn't want to focus. It's not that hard, camera. There we go. Okay. Take out of its... Ow. Beauty. Okay, code card. Get yourself a free Pokemon. Okay. 1, 2, 3. To the front. Any birds. Something good. No, I don't want to do it that way. Okay. Okay. I better pull something, I swear. Okay. Weedle. Okay. Oh, look, I got a bird. Finally, my first bird pull. Got a bird. That's pretty good to see. Sandalio. No way! look at this. We got a Leon holographic, and we got a Celebi. We actually got this card out from this pack! What are the chances of that? Oh, look at this beauty. Oh, beautiful masterpiece right here. And Leon holographic. Alright. That's a good 10 out of 10 pull right there. Let's see if both of these are in good condition. Cross my fingers, I do. Let's go with holographic Leon. Okay. Okay. Look at this beautiful Leon holographic. That's a good one. Celebi. Good old Celebi. Pretty good condition. Sending him over to the rares. Alright. Fusion Strike. Another pack. Put Leon over there. That's the pile of my camera. That's a pile of good cards over there. Alright. Where was I? Oh yeah. This guy. Big giant mouth. You better close that mouth, Gengar. You already know. Okay, that's a good decent pull if I ever seen one. Oh. But I need a full art or something. Get to this puppy. I don't want to bend the card or anything because I don't want to ruin it. Alright. Free Pokemon. Get yourself a free Pokemon. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And this is probably the energy. Yep. Energy. Keep forgetting. Okay, let's see. Camera's not focusing. Okay. Cook. Supporter. Okay. Tamno. Galarian Meowth. Bossifleur. Eevee. Mudkip. And... Huh. Cool. Cool. Alright, let's build Brilliant Stars. Okay, fuck my pack. Alright, Brilliant Stars. Let's see what you got. Oh, that came out. That's pretty clean, not gonna lie, that was pretty clean. Alright, take you out the abortion pack. Here you go. Get yourself a free Pokemon. Scan that in. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid of that. Fighting. Let's be good. Monkey. Cool. Starmie. Purplefish. Golett. Chimical. Don't know his Chimchar. Whatever his name is. Ernie and... Wait, I see something shiny! What is it? Ooh, more Peko V! Our first hit. Wow, more Peko V. Let's see if it's good and is good condition. Our first hit of the day. More Peko V. Too bad, not too bad. All-Star Ratings. Astro Ratings. Yeah, Astro Ratings. Astro Ratings. Let's see what you got. I got Bronzor in the front of this pack. You better give me good luck. Oh, I see something shiny. We're about to get a hit. And it's a white code. There's a reason why. I think when you get white codes, you get rares. I think that's what happens. There you go. Yourself a free Pokemon. White code. 1, 2, 3. To the front. Getting rid of that. Water energy. Our first rare. I see something shiny in the bottom. I don't want to spoil the surprises. I'm going to keep him. Okay. Sheldon. You mean from Splatoon 3? That one guy from the shop from Splatoon 3? Rowlet. Bird. Oshawott. Gross. I see something shiny and I don't know what it is. Oh. Oh! Okay. Look at this. Ice Rare Clerics V. Wow. Look at this artwork right here. Oh, I like it how it does that with the little water type. That's pretty clever. Let's see if it's a good condition. Wow. Finally got a good God pull and all Astral Radiance. Wow. Pretty good. Evolving Skies. This one has the two pulls that I think. I don't know. Please white code. Please white code. Oh, we got him in the front. Please white code. Please white code. Please white code. Black code! God bless America. But I bet we're going to get something good if that's not true. Carvana, okay. Cutty. Oh yeah, I got a bird. Finally, got something good. He's like yelling at his mates. Got a bird. Finally, I got something. Oh, I got another bird. Yeah, good content. Got something good. Sharpedo, he's a good one. I'll keep him. Energy. Okay. Keeping you. Fluffy. I see something weird. Wait, is that the code? No, I don't think so. Yeah, that is the code. Okay. And Lion from Lion King, and here's the code. Get yourself a free Pokemon. Okay. Got birds. I don't want to get into Lost Origin. We're going to save these two for last. Let's go with Shilin Region. Let's go this set. Give this one, it's going to go 50-50 with this set. Don't want to ruin the packaging itself. Oh. Okay. Please white code. Black code! God bless America. Have the code. Get yourself a free Pokemon. This might go 50-50. I don't know, but... Okay. Heracross. I remember getting you a bunch of times. Need to get yourself a haircut. Single Strike Rockruff. Going in the snow. Porygon. Oh, I shouldn't... Plus him with, Wurple? I don't know how to pronounce his name. I do not know. I forgot the card trick. Reader front. Okay. And... Single Strike. Scroll up Prancing. Huh, interesting. Which I don't care. Bitted Voltage. Bitted Voltage. I'm saving Lost Origins for last. Oh, look at you. Weedle on the front. White code! There we go. I don't want to spoil my surprises. I think getting white code, you get rares, I think. Yep, get yourself a free Pokemon. Alrighty. Oh, forgot the trick. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, dot. See, front. Getting rid of that fire. Alright. Okay. Don't know what that does. ZEKROM, Weedle. Oh, I got another bird. So it's nothing, you know. Oshawott. She looks terrifying. All of her soul just went peace. Alright, let's go Vitted Voltage again. Vitted Voltage. I know I'm gonna get some good rares out of this set. Ah! Come on, give me some God. Give me the God pole. That's all I want in life. Okay. Oh, God bless me. Okay, yep. It's a free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3. To the front, getting rid of all that lightning. I'm sorry for that. I don't get it why you're doing that underwater. That makes no sense. Turn around. Clefairy. Oh, I see something. From Vitted Voltage. You already know what that is, and I'm not even gonna say it. Let me get this one behind him. Eevee and... Oh, got my another VMAX. Clarksville VMAX. Alright, let's see if he's a good condition card. My camera doesn't want to focus today. Focus! Okay. My shadow's in the way. Yep, he's pretty pristine, good card right there. Down to 4 packs. Actually, 6, because we're saving these 2 for last. Chillin' region. Oh, there's a Moltres on this one. You know what? I'm gonna save this one because there's a bird on the cover, so I'm saving this one. Alright. So now we're down to these 3. Evolving Skies, Fusion Strike, and Brilliant Stars. Let's go with Evolving Skies with Rayquaza on the front. Oh yeah, Rayquaza going to the mountains. And that one card. Alright, can get you. Takes 8 million years to open up Pokemon pack. Is it that long? Okay. Get yourself out some free Pokemon. Give me a God pull. That's all I want in life. Please, God, give me some God pulls in Lost Origin. A brand new set. Okay, Psyduck has one... Focus. Psyduck has one singular Celebrate and doesn't even know what he's doing in his life. Eevees! I keep giving a bunch of Eevees. This Pokemon looks like an apple. Are you serious? Uh-huh. That's a good one. Uh-huh. Ice Cube! And that's about it. Hey, yo, Among Us helmet. Among Us. Daddy, Ice Cube. Daddy, Ice Cube. Why would they make a Pokemon look like an apple? Are you serious? This one's a good one. Alright, now we're down to Fusion Strike and Brilliant Stars. Let's go with Fusion Strike. Trying to open you up and you won't open. It takes 8 million years to open you. Really? Do I have to use scissors? I'll use scissors next time. Yeah. By the way, Silver Tempest is coming. The new set. That Game Stain God doesn't have it, so when it does have it, when I get a bunch of money, then I'm gonna get it and open it for a video. And yes, I'm gonna upload this for content so you guys can have it. And yes, we have a white code. One of the best codes ever. Okay, yep. Get yourself some brave Pokemon. 1, 2, 3. To the front. Getting rid of that fighting. Come on, give me the god pull. Moving on. Why is this card upside down? Okay. He's a bird, but ugly. You know. That looks like the same one as that one Pokemon, the little painter, forgot his name. Onyx behind him. And disgusting. Brilliant stars. Come on, a god pull. The greatest gods. The greatest god pull. Come on, give it to me. Just give it to me. Okay, we got Riolu on the front. That makes... You better give me good luck for this next pack. It's black code. Don't call me a racist. Yep. Get yourself some free Pokemon. Ow! Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid of that. Steel. Cool, steel. Fighting gloves. I'm just gonna take a little peek. How many chances are getting a pull in? I just want to see if there's a little peek. A little shiny. Oh, look, another bird. You already know what that is, and I'm not even going to point it out to you guys. What that is. Okay, and disgusting. Alright, now, the grand finale. Lost Origin, the brand new set. Let's go with... You are it. This one. Lost Origin. Brand new set. First pull. Let's get it. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, yes, Daddy. Okay, I'll stop making jokes. I think I see something shiny. Yeah, I think I see something shiny already. Alright, no spoilers. Alright. Yep, Lost Origin. Give yourself some pretty Pokemon. Showing that off for camera. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 to the front. Getting rid of that. Lightning! Why is that not good? Okay. Okay. Moving on. Yep. Brand new set. I'll start. This? I don't like that feel. I don't like it. It's really weird. You know what? I'm going to count it. And we get... Huh. My first pull out of All-Star Ratings, we get him. Not too bad. Let's see if he's in good condition. Alright. Alrighty. Alright. Yep. Good condition. Oh, I'm just getting pulls. Now the last pack of Lost Origins. This is a pile of useless abortions. Alright. Oh yeah. Great. Camera's not. Just focus! Thank you. Camera doesn't want to work today. Last pack. Lost Origins. Alright, shouldn't do that. Can't believe I'm... Machamp. You already know the name. Ow. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Wait. I need to show that. You right here. There you go. Get yourself some free Pokemon. Alright. This one. Yeah. Pikachu! Yep. Get to the rare. Garbage. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Move all this abortion. Useless. Alright. So yeah. There we go. Now these are the cards that I got from this episode. We got this beauty. This card. Look at that. This guy. Leon. He's a trainer hollow. Good. This, and this beautiful masterpiece right here. Yep. Yep. And yeah. These are the God poles I got from this set. And they're both pretty pristine. Wow, got a bunch. Camera focus. Thank you. Look at this. Pikachu ZEKROM. Yep. Imagine getting a pack. Opening a pack and just getting all this. Imagine that. Opening up a Pokemon pack. And one of the packs, all it just gives you is hits and rares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 cards that we pulled. There we go. Beautiful. Well, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Please like and subscribe to my channel. They mean a lot to me. Got these cards right here. Beautiful masterpieces, beautiful works of art, but this one is the main event. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all this up off camera. So that's that. That's that. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel because all these cards were all worth it for all these packs. So yeah. That's that. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And I'll see you when I get more Pokemon sets and open up for a video. Bye!